Good day, grade 10. So our topic for today is all about series. Do you have any idea what is series? Okay, so let's define series. So a series is denoted by S sub n. It is the sum of the first terms in a given sequence. So the sum of the first 5 terms is denoted by S sub 5. The sum of the first 3 terms is S sub 3 and so on. Hence, S sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub n. Okay, so when we say series po, okay, ito po yung sign niya, si N. Okay, so si N third. So si S po kasi it is a sequence po. Then the series is N. Okay, so para po ma-explain natin ng mas maayos, magbibigay po ako ng mga examples. Okay, so letter A, find the sum of the first 4 terms in the sequence h of n, where n is a series po, is equal to 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So when we say series po again, the sum of a terms. Okay, so letter B, find the sum of the first 5 terms in the sequence f of n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Letter C, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence p of n is equal to 2n plus 3. Okay, so letter A, let's proceed to letter A po muna. Find the sum of the first 4 terms in the sequence h of n is equal to 0, 1, 4, 9, and okay, again, find the sum of the first 4 terms in the sequence h of n is equal to 0, 1, 4, 9, and 16. So when we say sum, di ba po, kukuhanin po natin lahat, okay, using the addition or the operation addition. So the sum of 4 terms. Okay, so n is a series. So ilan po yung hinahanap natin? The first 4 terms or the sum of the first 4 terms such that using the formula that we have, S sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4 and so on and so forth. Okay, so using the formula that we have, S sub 4, ma'am, bakit po siya 4? Kasi po, the term or the sum of the first 4 terms, okay, A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4. Okay, so next is to substitute the value of A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and the A sub 4 because 4 terms nga lang po ang hinahanap natin. Okay, S sub 4 is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, so we have A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and A sub 4. So, ipag-add lang po natin. We need to get the sum of these 4 numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14. So, the sum of the first 4 terms is 14. Okay, so nakukuha po. Okay, so now let's proceed to our next example. Okay, for our second example, find the sum of the first 5 terms in the sequence f of n is equal to 2, 4, 6, and 8. As you can see, class, we only have 4 terms given. Okay, so we need to find first the 5th terms of the sequence. So by doing that po, as we can see po, the given set or the given sequence that we have is all positive numbers. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And their common difference is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, very good. So now, let's find first the 5th terms of the sequence. Okay, so A sub 5, okay, we denote that as A sub 5 is equal to A sub 4 plus 2. Ma'am, bakit po A sub 4? Because the last given number of set po sa sequence natin is A sub 4, which is 8. So the common difference of that set or that sequence is 2. So we add 2 in the formula that we are going to use. So A sub 5, substitute the value of A sub 4. What is the value of A sub 4? A sub 4 is equal to 8 plus 2. So A sub 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now we have the 5 terms in the sequence. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we can find now the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence. So using the formula that we have, S sub 5 is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4 plus A sub 5. Okay, nakakasunod po. Okay, so A sub 5. So substitute the value of every terms in the formula that we use. Okay. S sub 5 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Okay, so i-add po natin siya. S sub 5 is equal to 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. And 20 plus 10 is 30. So the sum of the first 5 terms in the sequence is 30. Okay, somehow when we say series, we are looking for the sum of the of the sequence. So let's proceed to our next example. Okay, last example that we have is to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence P of n is equal to 2n plus 3. As you can see, class, there are no given, okay, given terms, okay, given set of numbers po of the sequence po. So we need to generate it first, or we need to find the values of 5 terms of the sequence bago po natin makuha yung sum of that sequence. So katulad ng mga ginagawa natin ng mga nakaraang examples po, okay, we need to substitute the value, or we need to substitute the terms po in the formula. Okay, for example, P of n. Okay, so we need to use A sub 1 here. A sub 1 is denoted as first term. Okay, first term is A sub 1. So A sub 1 is equal to 2n plus 3. Okay, so A sub 1, we need to substitute 1, or the first term, to the formula 2n plus 3. Okay, A sub 1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3. Okay, so A sub 1 is equal to 2 plus 3. Then A sub 1 is equal to 5. So our first term is 5. Okay, so nakakasunod po. Next, let's find the value of the second term. So using again the formula, or the given formula that we have, or the given equation rather, not a formula, okay, the given equation, I'm so sorry. Okay, so A sub 2, or the second term, is equal to 2 times 2 plus 3. Okay, A sub 2 is equal to 4 plus 3. Then A sub 2 is equal to 7. So the second term is 7. Okay, next is A sub 3, or the third term. So 2n plus 3 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So A sub 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so next is the fourth term, which is a sub 4 is equal to 2n plus a sub 4 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3. Okay, so a sub 4 is equal to 8 plus 3. Okay, then a sub 4 is equal to 11. Next is a sub 5. So dito na lang po natin siya ilagay. A sub 5 is equal to 2 and plus 3 is equal to 2 times 10 plus 3 is equal to 20. 2 times 5 rather. Let's erase that po. Okay, so 2 times 5 is equal to 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, very good. So 10 plus 3, then a sub 5 is equal to 13. Or the fifth term is equal to 13. So now we have here the first 5 terms of the sequence, which is 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So we can find now the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence using the formula. S sub 5 is equal to A sub 1. I'm going to use another color po para mas makita natin yung pinaka-final answer po. So I'm going to use blue color. Okay, so A sub 5 is equal to, no, I am so sorry. Okay, S sub 5 rather. S sub 5. Kasi nga po, yung sum na po yung kukuhanin natin. A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4 plus A sub 5. Okay. Substitute the value of the terms. We have 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay, so add po natin lahat for us to find the sum of the sequence. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 9. 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 13 is equal to 45. So the sum of the first 5 terms is 45. Okay, nakakasunod po? Okay, so I hope class that you've learned something from me today. Okay, that's all for today, class. Goodbye and God bless. And